Claudia no come from week.
Yeah.
Then no me and Miss Richie and Claudia there when the woman out there say I put up the awning.
Yeah, Miss Richie.
And me there before yesterday. Miss Richie tell Claudia for that, yeah.
I say, yo, yeah, give away, say, 2 hours. So when she say, Miss Richie, I say, yo, when last. I can't tell when last this is Claudia.
Claudia go away Friday, though?
No, this morning.
This morning Claudia go away.
Yeah, this morning Claudia go away.
From where? From you. She left you.
Yeah. Miss Richie brain good, you know. I went to go away Friday, Miss Richie.
No question me no more. Nothing to you.
You think Miss Richie I idiot? That means Claudia go away for Friday.
This morning Claudia go away, yeah.
No, Miss Richie would have member. She don't have memory law.
No. So come like she and I have a little look at this school from last night. So she use it inside.
Oh, so what you and Claudia cuss for, ma'am?
You never cuss, man.
So what not argue for? I want to Ken place. Not taking place. And I want to Ken place, Miss Richie. From here, you all court so Claudia says sitting there.
Hey, man, she. I want me a sing, me single. Hey, man, she.
Oh, so you never see smoke without fire.
No, it's every time so me and you take side.
Me not take no side of something Claudia do.
Miss Richie.
How what Claudia do?
Me tell you anything about Claudia.
Him tell me.
Him to tell you, you must know what happened then.
You know talk true, you never say nothing. What Claudia do? What them argue for?
Same thing like how you meant about cake, a cake.
A cake can't argue with Claudia for? Talk how you go.
What you know now?
What you say? You not hear you?
I dry out Miss Richard, because guess what no, you dash for Claudia, say Claudia never there.
So why she argue with Claudia for cake?
No, not really argue for the cake, because Claudia gave us a slice of cake.
Yeah.
And she said she like it.
Yeah.
Claudia tell us she buy it downtown.
Yeah.
So Miss Richard asked her too much money for it and things. So no, Claudia tell us, yo, Miss Richard it's not nothing fair for ask me.
Yeah.
Money for that and thing, a minor thing that.
Yeah.
And just that Miss Richard just get paid. So.
You know what, so you can't keep thinking and him out quiet, man. So our kind of cake like?
No, man, seriously.
Yeah.
If you have a plan.
No, yeah, but what you know about, you know what's for me, you know, so me would have give all of the details, but a minor thing that some of them don't tell you from last night, so if you just like off of that, Miss Rich.
Me let go of fight, but go up to she.
Hey!
She let go of fight. Yeah. Fear to me.
Hey, nah, man, you can't tie up Sheena. Oh, nobody know what that. Yes, me tell you something, Planka people. I say every money come here for Miss Richie. I can look pound and tell you about Miss Richie. You see, you see, nobody can ramp with Miss Richie. You see, anything come here for Miss Richie. Miss Richie know a figure, know a number. If they say them buy anything, Miss Richie know. Nobody can trick Miss Richie. She there everything. Anything at all spend. Anything at all buy. She know and she see receipt and she can read. So we don't know what took in place.
Yeah.
Make me go get to worry. So you don't want to give back Claudia her money?
No, she not, what you know, I saw me get for know say her birthday and come up.
Oh, so about the cake?
Yes.
So keep your kid quiet, so make everybody argue about cake, and you know me I go bring cake for you.
To find out everything.
Anytime cake and chocolate come right chip, you know.
Yeah.
You can't talk to her about cake and chocolate.
You know, Donna told me I understand now, you know.
Eh. Just should be quiet. Just should Miss Richie say keep quiet, be quiet.
You can't talk to Miss Richie, it's like it's a person with no sense and then something.
Your mother, she's sensible.
Yes, so what you know say, if you find out say I come like you want to take her for fool and then really, she drag out by you.
Yeah, and get mad.
Yeah, so.
So where did that question about the money for Miss Richie?
No,
yeah, shh. About the cake and the price. Let me talk to the woman now.
That's not a bad thing that me do.
No,
it's not bad thing.
You have to know for your money happen, so you want to know how much feet. And you don't want to tell you. Claudia, when Miss Richie question you, tell her. Don't me tell you everything, Miss Richie. Me not hide nothing from you. What your face make up here now?
You don't know anything, that's no privacy.
You think Miss Richie an idiot?
Me not see why me never want no argument.
Yeah.
No argument.
I don't want to no argue with her over nothing. When she asks you anything. When she, you see Miss Richie and me, ask her.
And my birthday come, and I beg God to keep me alive to see time. If you see that one, I thank God.
What you know, that I just want to know. Because when I ask about Claudia, I say, oh,
I took Claudia upset her spirit.
so when last she not see Claudia, no, man say, oh,
I give her that year.
I can't be say so Miss Richard.
She not burn her out. She just say she don't know that means that Claudia upset her spirit. So she know want. But me tell you now with Miss Richie, you don't understand Miss Richie. You cannot go around Miss Richie.
No.
If Miss Richie any money or anything spent, you don't tell her. Because she know everything. That's why when I come here and video, I make sure 2 hours is here or 1 hour is here. So if me give you money, she know how much me give you. You understand?
Yeah.
If Claudia get money, if money spent at the hardware, she know everything. And nobody cannot go around her because she don't forget nothing. And she don't hold her mouth.
Yeah, she never been an argument.
Because she could have just tell you the truth.
If you tell me how much, give me an idea how much for the cake, give me this, give me that. That never
I think you're an
an
idiot.
argument. So we not have a rough with that. But
No, we not say, yo, Donna, Miss Richie not really have a you know, because everything is good up last night still, you know,
But that's how she stay, she not go forget it.
Yes, yes.
See, you see your skin up here now. But me tell you all, that's why me and Miss Richie have a good and
I hold myself about my birthday.
me a fix up your birthday, you don't worry about that.
Listen to me. Hundreds of persons.
I look for that gun on the road.
Joshie? He must have gone on already, yeah. Him alright man, Joshie used to the place.
No man enough to go out the streets.
Alright, that's why he gone and down and handsome. I don't them did there. You want to know Miss Richie? You want to know now man, sit down and listen to me. You see Miss Richie? You have to be straightforward with Miss Richie. Don't think Miss Richie can. Miss Richie count more on me. Miss Richie check more on me. So if I don't like when I hide nothing from her, but you like when you don't open up. Yeah. You understand?
If me ask her about the cake,
and how much feet?
Give me an idea.
Make you know if change, no left for nothing. You understand?
Listen to me, when we get one money, I cloud it, have it, you know.
Eh?
Yes, me never
Shh, buy the black.
No, me talking the truth now.
Murder!
Nice, man.
Miss Richie.
Expenditure.
So when me left the money, I cleared it and glitch.
Make a talk.
Jesus! Fridge what we
I'm
want.
not done, man. Let me talk. It's hard. Let me shut.
Alright, chat. Me not say nothing.
I don't know when she have her money, whenever you give her her money, then just let me see. And she go and go spend.
Hey.
Do you know what the money done? I don't know if she have a change.
Alright, you want me I go.
I don't know God.
Hear what happen and then I tell you how much. Hear what go happen now. Me I go step in back now. Miss Richie money, me I go monitor because she's sensible. Me trust Claudette and earn him. Me not say them a thief nothing, you know. Don't get me wrong. But if Miss Richie the people them send the money for and I trust you know to leave you know with the money. So if you no spend $1 for her, come and say Miss Richie, you know say me buy a cake for you for $150. Don't make sure ask.
And you know what?
And you know what answer. So you see like how you have a problem now, Miss Richie. Don't when me spend your money, I tell you how it go, ma'am.
They never have an argument, you know, because that kind of anything for you vex over.
Alright, Miss Richie, you are going to put a rule on you. I go and get a book.
Yeah.
And when I get the money, I go and keep it. If they want money, make shh. Them cause I know why you're upset over your money and she's not idiot. Something was bugging her spirit.
You don't talk.
She don't.
We don't talk. When you talk, me.
Alright, talk.
Me now go to Claudette. Let me ask her about how much for the cake. Why she no want it? Me na ask her. Me na ask her for the change. Me na ask her to know how much she spend out there, but she have, and yet she vexed. She did that full out of here. We like how we sit down in here, so the three away. She just, while Mr. talk about the subject, she just get up out of this room now with me there and gone over there, gone fix her hair and now talk to me and vex. So me not fit, me not question her about. And they should not fit do that.
Alright, ma.
She never talk to him, so I really still know.
I don't hear you.
Donna. So she tell her say she exposed and raised still, but as I'm tell her, say a minor thing about.
Alright, no.
So Miss Richie, love when time we say people open up to her.
Yes.
You see me?
And that is why me and her get along.
But even
I watch you now, so me the person, so me there most of the time and night time and them something. And when she call me and them something, you know. Me always come to her, so Claudia I'm deal with her good and thing, you know, and everything good, you know. But guess what? Last night I just a simple little mistake. Just like how you would have said something to a person now and then now answer that at the same time. Just
No,
like
but you have to
them.
listen.
Yes.
through the cake, why me not ask her that she should find money to do it already.
No, what she mean, you know, Nami?
Like you have an idea
Yes.
how much the cake costs.
Yes. So,
That's all.
alright, let me tell you something, Nami, when we get up. Me can't talk now, Miss Richie?
Yes,
Alright, Miss Richie is not, when it, Miss people don't know, nobody cannot rob Miss Richie. Miss Richie, that is why when I video in Miss Richie, she can't video, you know. And Miss Richie that can, and Miss Richie listen everything. And when the money count up, Miss Richie know everything. What Miss Richie is trying to say, she don't have a place Claudia spend the money. Because she cannot go to the road. I mean, I have no time to spend Miss Richie money. Because when me say, you buy food, such a them deal with it. Miss Richie would like to know, say, alright, if you take out $10,000 from her, if you go buy food, although she can go, bring a receipt, come sure. Like if me go buy her medicine, or me go buy anything for her, don't me come and me say, Miss Richie, me spend so and so.
Because you are going
but
again.
no, that's not reach baby girl because when she go to buy anything, that me ask her about you.
She want to be more involved.
No, Donna.
No one know how much a cake costs.
Donna, come like you say, come like all those.
She not say nothing bad to Claudia artist, and I don't want nobody get it like that. She just want to
create everything, you know. We just make you understand the whole thing, and that's why we make you know it's our birthday. I just threw our birthday, this thing chip in. And guess what now? She swears I want big cake, where you would have got a big cake replaced for buy. And the little one cake they want to sell at the whole cake.
I know that she talk about the price.
No, listen, Donna, it's not the price about the something. Not the price about the thing, you see me? Just keep coming down to her birthday now. She have it up in her brain, says a big cake. Like how you would have cut out the slice and give her.
Who have it on them brain as well?
No.
Me and
No. So you feel say I want big cake, so you don't know, so you want to know if I $2,800 or whatever.
how
for
much
it.
is the cake?
You see me?
That's all
So
you
that's
know.
that.
Alright.
No, big.
Yeah.
But nothing.
Yeah.
I watch it now, because when time chocolate buy such a buy some little snacks, something, so here what up no. So Claudia to look on her and say, oh, this Richard, I always buy them things here for you and things, because she always get the cake, is not first to get in it, but guess what no? She's coming up to her birthday, she want to have an idea that if it's a big cake, we buy and have it in the fridge and we run this and I cut it up and I give her.
Oh,
So,
yeah.
no, nothing for
Yeah.
But guess what now, Joe Claudia never answered the right way. We just simply tell her, say, I just want a little cake, them where we sell at the wholesale, where we buy 3 of it or so.
Oh.
So, no big nothing like that. So, me get to know that birthday is coming up.
Alright. Me understand what I say now, Miss Richie. In right?
For these educators,
But
their
it's
marriage
when we say to Claudia,
We know that.
talk, man. When we say to Claudia, you should not lose our cool about it. I know some offender. Because when she get that money from this lady, I don't get a 10 cents out there that I can go buy it.
Lord Jesus, not talk them sitting here.
I don't get a 10 cents out there that I can take the 10 cents go buy.
So you never tell me, make me give you the money them in your hand then. Lord Jesus have mercy. Me a cut it live.
No, they're showing you. Say, when we said to her last night, should not offend her. I know anything if she lose her, because anytime they get something, she control it. And when I get a change out there, that me can't.
Miss Richie, alright, me I go change it up. Me I go change it up. We could done half of this, because we don't want it go where it not for go for people feel like say somebody will take away Miss Richie money. Me we talk about it off camera. I'm not going no further. Love this your money argument. Because Claudia doing a wonderful job. If me like how you talk. If there's a misunderstanding, Miss Richie, me go have a meeting with you, Ernie, and Claudia. You hear? When me come and do the next, because I never know. Because I make sure say the money got the hardware go pay what for pay. Want to forget for food, want to forget for gas, want to forget for our medicine. I give it to Claudia. I want to make sure get the money, pay the hardware and bring back the bill. So when say when me take for pay, there be hardware, it pay. I don't know what is going on. So I go and talk to her off camera. I go and have a meeting with everybody. You hear, ma'am?
Listen to me, ma'am. Listen to me.
Donna.
Cut it? Alright, you know, him don't want me talk nothing more, Miss Richie. Him don't want me talk nothing more, so make we allow it. You can see our spirit upset. I know, Miss Richie.
They're my brother and him and she are brother and sister, you know.
Oh.
You
I don't want
know?
to.
You didn't know?
Yeah. At least me know you make the woman talk no below about that. We not done half of that. Miss Richie is not idiot. She's not an idiot. I never know these, but I will address it with Uno in a little meeting.
But listen to me.
Don't know, Miss Richie. Nobody talk nothing more in a phone.
And don't feel good old Claudia.
Alright, let me tap off the phone. Blanca people, I don't want Miss Richie say nothing too much. Me I go deal with the situation. Cause I don't want to look like say Claudia na make she get no money or so. I don't know.
Me don't get no money.
Jesus Christ.
But that is not the argument. Me not talk about that.
When I come around here for me ever get myself in a
She can jump round and do it.
Yes, me trust her to do that.
Yes.
She a Ernie.
But when we talk to me, ask her a simple question about how much the cake costs. She not be vexed.
Alright, me I go cut the life, Blanca. Later people, me can't take them a judgment here, you know.
My birthday come.
Me Lord Jesus, me I cut the life.